Are you ready to explore the meticulous world of professional deep cleaning inspections? This process ensures every surface meets the highest hygiene standards. Discover how structured digital checklists and photographic evidence make this possible. Professional deep cleaning goes beyond routine cleaning. It targets hidden contaminants and accumulated grime. eAuditor enhances this process with structured digital checklists. Photographic evidence and compliance monitoring ensure thoroughness. This creates a consistent quality assurance system for all properties. The inspection covers all areas of a deep cleaning service. Living areas like bedrooms and dining rooms are thoroughly checked. Kitchens and appliances receive special attention. Bathrooms and sanitary fittings are meticulously inspected. Surfaces and ventilation points complete the scope. Begin by setting up the eAuditor template for deep cleaning. Ensure offline access and camera permissions are enabled. Inspect entry doors and frames for cleanliness. Evaluate flooring and thresholds for any marks. Photograph the entryway from multiple angles. Inspect living areas, checking furniture and baseboards. In bedrooms, examine bed frames and ventilation points. Kitchens require a thorough check of all appliances and tiles. Bathrooms need scrutiny of grout and ventilation fans. Document conditions with photographs for accountability. Recheck areas flagged during initial inspections. Evaluate overall cleanliness and odor control. Capture photos for records, and collect digital sign-off. Use eAuditor for real-time data capture and instant reporting. Store reports securely for future audits. Identify trends in missed cleaning areas for targeted training. Monitor compliance with corrective actions. Use data to adjust cleaning schedules. Enhance hygiene standards through continuous improvement. Maintain records for operational consistency. This deep cleaning inspection ensures professional cleanliness standards. Structured checklists and photo documentation verify thoroughness. eAuditor streamlines tasks and reporting for consistent quality.